How to book flight tickets on booking.com. So the first step is to simply go to booking.com and then click on flights. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply choose the type of flight that you want. So as you can see, you have round trip, one way, multi-city. So simply choose any of these. Then you're gonna have to choose your airport and where to. So you're gonna have to simply choose where do you want to fly basically, and then choose the date. Then you're gonna have to choose the type of, as you can see, you have economy, business, and first class. And then you can choose how many adults or children, and then simply click on search. Then you're gonna basically see different types of flights. As you can see, this one here, this one is here, as you can see, 71 euros, and you can scroll down and see different options. And as you can see, this when this basically leaves, and as you can see, they have different prices. So what you're gonna have to do is simply choose cheapest, and this one here is the cheapest. And after that, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on view details and then simply click on select. Then basically what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your details. So you're gonna have to enter your personal information and then simply pay, and that's all. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.